Welcome to the basics of probability. Let's get started. So, work out the probability for each colour of this spinner. First and foremost, how many sides are there in each... Fucking Christ. Okay, try again. Welcome to probability. Let's start with the basics. Work out the probability of each colour of this spinner. First things first, how many sides are there? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many are pink, right? There's only one that's pink, okay? So the probability that it lands on pink is just going to be 1 divided by 6. Yeah? 1 in 6 chance of being pink. Now we know that there's 6 on each side, so we can actually just put 6 on each of them, okay? What about for the blue one? How many are blue? 1, 2, 3 of them are blue. So the probability of blue is just going to be 3 over 6. Because it's a probability, you don't need to simplify the fractions. You can just leave it as 3 and 6, okay? Finally, yellow. There's 2 ways of doing this, but let's do the simple way. This is the basics after all. We have 1 yellow here and 2 here. So the probability of yellow is just going to be 2 in 6. If you want, you can just do 1 minus 3 over 6 minus 1 over 6, because that's everything else, right? You'll also get 2 over 6. Absolutely fine. Now let's use that probability. In 360 spins, how many yellows would you expect? All we need to do is we do 360 times 2 over 6. Well, that's the same as 60 times 2. So I would estimate that 120 would be yellow. And those are our final answers. Is this video making sense so far? Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video from me. Now let's take a look at if we have 2 spinners. For these 2, first things first is we need to know how many combinations we have. In total, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18, 24, 30 different combinations. Excellent. Now what we need to do is add up all of these so we know in total what they're going to all add up to. So 5 and 2 is 7, 5 and 1 is 6, 5 and 3, 9, 5 and 1, 6. Next number, 6 and 1, 7, 6 and 3, 9. Next row, 4 and 2, 6, 4 and 1, 5, 4 and 3, 7, and 4 and 1, 5. Okay? So all we've done is just add these 2 together, okay? Now, work out the probability that the score is 7. So first thing we're going to do is, we know that there's 30 in total, right? So let's put 30 on our denominators, okay? Now, how many possible combinations are there that are 7? Well, let's circle them, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the probability of it being 7 is going to be 9 over 30. What about if it's greater than 7? Well, if it's greater than 7, then the only numbers it can be are 9, 8, 9, 8, and 8. Because then it's greater than 7. How many numbers is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 30. And those are our final answers. Are you still struggling with this topic? Well, join my Discord server and send me whatever questions you want for fast responses guaranteed. Now let's go over something like this. One of the teachers in school is chosen at random. The probability that the teacher is female is 3 in 5. We're told there are 36 male teachers at the school. So work out the total number of teachers at the school. Well, if the probability of female is equal to 3 over 5, the probability of male, right, that's just going to be 1 minus 3 over 5, which is equal to 2 over 5. Okay? And if we're assuming that everything is perfect, we know that 2 over 5 represents 36 teachers. So therefore, the first thing we need to do is we need to work out what 1/5 is. So 1 over 5 is equal to 36 divided by 2 teachers, which is equal to 18. And so therefore, if we multiply it by 5 to get what everything is, so 100%, that's just going to be 18 times 5. Kind of works like a percentage. 18 times 5 is going to be 90. And so therefore, the total number of teachers in this school is 90. And we did that by analysing the probability. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Do you guys want to pass your exams? Well, you can get tutored by me to make that a reality. Drop me an email and we can organise a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.